Welcome to Easy Goal channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topics, kidney transplantation. So along with that, one more important topics, accessory excretory organs, other pathways of excretion. So already we have discussed about end-stage renal disease, kidney failure, dialysis process. So today we are going to discuss about kidney transplantation. Is there any solution for the long-term kidney failure? So there is a solution, that is what? Kidney transplantation. The long-term solution for the kidney failure, acute renal failure, is kidney transplantation. The first kidney transplantation successfully performed between two identical twins by Charles of Nasal. Charles of Nasal in 1954 in Washington, USA. The first kidney transplantation was successfully done by Charles of Nasal in which year? 1954, between two identical twins. It was done that process successfully between two identical twins. So it was belongs to Washington, USA. But in India, it was happened in 1971. So in India, first kidney transplantation was successfully done by the Christian Medical College doctors on 1st December 1971. 1971, Christian Medical College, Veluru, Veluru, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. So the first kidney transplantation in India successfully performed by Christian Medical College doctors, Veluru, Tamil Nadu, on 1st December 1971. So this is the solution for the long-term kidney failure, acute renal failure disease. So during this process, what is happening? During this process, they collect the kidney from the donor. The transplantation of kidney. A functioning kidney is used to transplant to the recipient. So they collect the kidney from the donor. The person who is giving kidney to the recipient. So kidney should be matched to the immune system of the recipient. Otherwise, there is a chances rejection of kidney transplantation. So who are giving the recipient who is receiving the kidney from the donor, so it should be matched to the immunity system of recipient. Otherwise there is a chances of rejection. But nowadays modern process of medical field, so there are very less chances, success rate is more, successfully transplanted kidney, so less chances to rejection. So success rate is more compared to the previous days. So is there any so what is the process? What is the process is takes? Mainly they can collect a functioning kidney from the donor to recipient. Next, they collect the kidney from the brain dead persons, brain dead patients, then transplanted to the recipient who want that. So in this is the process, kidney transplantation. It should be the kidney recipient who is going to take, who is going to receive kidney should be matched to the immunity system of the recipient. Otherwise there is a chances. But nowadays modern technique, modern medical process, very less chances, success rate is more. So now we are going to discuss about accessory excretory organs, other pathways of excretion. So lungs, skin, liver are the important organs in our body. They have their own specific functions. Along with that, they are involving in excretion function also, excretion process also. So lungs, skin, liver, they have performed their specific functions. Along with that, they are involving in excretion. So you know that lungs are the main organs in a respiratory system, exchanging of gases from the body to outside, outside to inside, exchanging the gases, receiving air into the lungs and giving out air from body to outside. So lungs remove water in the form of water vapor, water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and water are removed. These are the waste materials after completion of metabolic activities in our body. So waste material, excess water in the form of water vapor and carbon dioxide removed from our body to outside. So lungs also involved in a excretion process. Not only in respiration, excretion also, removal of waste material. So one of the important uh, organ they are involving in excretion. So they are called accessory, secondary excretory organs. Secondary function. The main function is specific function of these organs. We know that already. Lungs, respiration, skin, one of the major or largest sense organ in our body, which protect our body. Next, liver. It is the largest gland. So produce bile juice. Those are their specific functions. They are involving in excretory function also. Excretory function, it is a secondary function of these organs. So accessory excretory organs, they are involving in excretion also. So lungs, water and carbon dioxide, and skin. Skin is largest sense organ in our body, and large number of in skin, large number of sweat glands are there. Large number of sweat glands are present, and they have very rich, means richly supplied blood capillaries are there. Richly supplied blood capillaries are there. So from them salts, salts and sweat. So, salts and sweat is released. These are the excretory products which are released from the skin to outside, sweat and salts. So next, skin has sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands also release some waste products like waxes, okay, and sterols, okay, waxes, sterols, and fatty acids released from our body to outside. Waxes, sterols, fatty acids released by the sebaceous glands, oil glands. Sebaceous gland means oil glands. Released waste material from our body to outside in the form of waxes, sterols, and fatty acids. Okay, next, liver. Liver is the one of the important gland. It is involved in digestive system. Okay, largest organ in our body, largest gland in our body, So liver is involved in a urea formation, and also waste products like elimination of some liver eliminates some waste materials like bile wording and bile rubin. Bilirubin and biliverdin are the eliminatory products of hemoglobin of RBC. Okay, after 120 days, RBC cells reaches to spleen and they will be die and release. These are the waste excretory products like biliverdin and bilirubin and also urochrome. Urochrome. It is eliminated through urine. It is removed or eliminated through urine. Urochrome, and which is it is a pigment which give color to the urine. Okay, urochrome, it is eliminated through urine. Next, biliverdin and bilirubin eliminated through bile. So along with this, so like steroid hormones, vitamins, drugs, chemical drugs, and also alkaline salts. All waste material, extra waste materials are removed or eliminated through biliverdin and bilirubin, while through vitamins and steroids, drugs are all eliminated to bile to outside. Next, urea formation. Urea is means liver is involved in a urea formation. Urea formation. So this is about what? What are the waste products are eliminated from liver? So bilirubin, biliverdin, and urochrome and urea are the excretory products are produced by, prepared by, and eliminated by the liver. Okay, biliverdin, bilirubin, and urochrome. Urochrome is eliminated through urine, and biliverdin and bilirubin through bile to outside. Along with that, vitamins, okay, steroid hormones, and alkaline salts, and next what? Drugs. Okay, all are eliminated from blood to means body to liver to blood to outside. So liver is involved in urine formation. Next, large intestine. Large intestine also involved in excretion of some waste materials like salts like iron, elimination of some salts like iron, magnesium, calcium. So these are the iron, magnesium, calcium are the salts which are excess salts are eliminated through large intestine. Epithelial cells of colon, large intestine. Okay, along with the fecal matter to outside. So iron, magnesium, and calcium are the salts which are eliminated from the large intestine. From where? Epithelial cells of colon means what? It is the one of the part of large intestine. So along with the fecal matter to outside. Not only these organs like lungs, skin, liver, large intestine, nitrogenous waste from our body, nitrogenous waste eliminated through tears and also saliva from our body to outside. So this is about today's topic. So we have discussed about today kidney transplantation. The first kidney transplantation successfully performed by Dr. Charles Opnazel in 1954 between two identical twins. Successfully performed by Charles Opnazel 1954 between two identical twins. He was belongs to Washington, USA. But in India, in the year of 1971, the first kidney transplantation successfully done by the doctors of Christian Medical College, Veluru, Tamil Nadu, on 1st December 1971. 1st December 1971. Okay, kidney transplantation, it is the long-term solution for the kidney failure or acute renal failure disease. So what is the solution? Kidney transplantation. Okay, we have discussed about accessory excretory organs, and it is also called other pathways of excretion. So lungs, skin, liver, and large intestine are the accessory excretory organs. So along with their own specific function, they have performed specific function. So along with that, they are involved in a excretory process also, excretory function also. Secondary function. So excretory function is done by these organisms, done by these organs. So they are perform secondary function. So they are called accessory excretory organs. So today this is our topic, and tomorrow next we will come along with the new topic. Okay, subscribe the channel, share the channel, and like the channel for the latest science biology classes. So subscribe the channel, share the channel, and like the channel. Thank you all.